Hello kids, today we are going to learn what is first aid and how do we use the first aid to take us out of difficult situations. Well, let me ask you something. Which is the safest place on earth according to you? You're absolutely correct. Our home, right? We all feel very safe and secure in our home. But what if some mishaps happen when we are alone at home? Because accidents can happen anytime, correct? So, in case of those emergency, what we need to do is, we need to take help of the immediately available help, which is known as the first aid. That will help us to get out of situations wherein we are injured or we could have fallen sick. So, let us see some situations wherein you are injured in a bad way and how as a brave superhero you can come out of it by tackling it. If you can take care of those extraordinary situations and turn them into an ordinary and obviously positive situation with the help of the readily available first aid, then you will obviously be our superhero and we will all be very proud of you. So let's see the first example. So it was a very hot afternoon and you were coming back from your school. While you were walking down, the direct sun's sharp rays were falling on you. The temperature was soaring and you were sweating like anything. Suddenly what happens? You tend to fall sick. You feel dehydrated as the water level in your body has gone down. And you feel your skin is burning and you're about to faint. So what would you do in a situation like this? Would you call for help? But from whom? The medical shop which is nearby to you is also closed. So what would be the readily available thing that you should do to make yourself safe? Well, let me tell you, if you yourself consider as a superhero, what you will do over here. You see a tree nearby in the park and you go and sit down under it because you know that you will feel better once you sit in the cool shade. So after sitting there, you remember you have a water bottle and you start sipping water from it. So gradually you tend to feel better over here. Why? Because the water goes in your body and increases the water level. That is, your body gets rehydrated and you slowly and steadily feel much better out here. So, do you see over here a simple thing like water or the tree's cool shade has acted as the readily available help, which is the first aid, which has helped you to come out of a situation wherein you could have fallen more sick and fainted on the ground. Next, what you do? You see there is a bottle of sunscreen in your bag and you take it out and apply it on your skin. So what happens? Gradually you feel the cooling effect over here. So what you have done here? Just like a brave superhero, you have taken help of the immediately available first aid, that is the sunscreen over here, to feel much more better. And finally, you have a cap which you wear and there you go. You are all set to beat the heat and finally you can head back home over here. So what do you think over here? In these kind of situations wherein you don't have any help around you, you should always resort to the most immediately available help. That is the water, the tree's shade, the sunscreen and finally the cap, which can help you to be safe in these kind of dangerous situations. Let us see one more example over here. For example, you have just reached home and you are all tired. You are so hungry that you just want to rush to the kitchen and get some food for you. And while you were rushing to the kitchen, you just overlooked there was water spilled outside the kitchen door. And there you go. You fall and you get your head hurt over there. And your forehead has got swollen. I understand. It's a lot of pain, right? What do you feel in this situation? To just sit down and cry, being helpless. But do you think if a superhero would have been in your place, he would have sat down and cried? Not really. He would have got up, remained calm, wiped himself and rushed to a refrigerator to get an ice pack over here. Because whenever you fall down and you get hurt and your area gets swollen, ice pack is the readily available first aid which will help you to fight against it. And finally, after a while, you start feeling much better after using the ice pack as your first aid over here. So, let's go to a third situation after this. One day, while your mother was not around and you were feeling very hungry, you just went inside the kitchen and you saw a dish was getting prepared on the stove. So in that state of mind, you just thought of removing the lid and getting the food. And just when you touched the lid, oh my God, it was piping hot and you just burnt your fingers. What a miserable condition it is. It's a burning sensation and it's painful. But what do you do over here? Do you wait for your parents to come back and help you? And don't you think by that time your wound would have become more severe out here? Correct. Being a superhero, you need to be calm over here. And you should see for the readily available first aid, that is the running cold water from a tap. So you put your hand under the water and after a bit of time, you feel much better. The burning sensation gradually decreases and you are saved from having severe burn injuries. So after this, what you need to do is, being a superhero, after wiping the hands, you need to put a medicine like a burn-on, which will take care of the little bit injuries that you might have got. So what you see over here, dear kid, in all the above situations, you were in pain, you were in a problem, you could have sat and cried, being helpless, since there was no one around. But in all the situations, with the help of your common sense and presence of mind, you have tackled all the extraordinary difficult solutions in a wonderful way and finally managed to come out of that situation in a brave way, perfectly being fine and safe. So in this way, whenever you are at home alone, you can follow these safety tips and use the first aid, which is the immediately available help to keep you away from injuries and always feel safe at home.